and a lot of people have been scared, and the way people are scared, and the last time I checked, when people were this scared, the market started going up big time, and people have been shopping, right? I don't know if you've shopped or not, but hey, prices are cheap, people are scared, oversold levels are actually there, and I'm still giving one coin for free in 2025. Back in 2024, I gave Polkadot, it doubled 2 times. I gave SHIB, which went from 900 to 4,000, and those were just two to three of my best pick in 2024. And now in 2025, this is something that I like to do throughout the year. So in 2025, I do have one coin for you that I bought in 2022, and you can get it for this almost the same prices I entered back in 2022 bear market prices. So message me on Discord. If you're not on Discord, just comment Discord and ask me the coin. Just say, Adam, tell me the coin. I'm gonna tell you. Now, Pepe, still at the trend line. I'm looking at this whole trend line at the moment, and it's hanging on the trend line as it did back in here in April last year. Okay, so it was doing the very same thing where you scared a lot of people. If we go back and we try to study this, so the market started going down very badly. It went from nearly 1105, right, and it went all the way down to nearly 405. Now that was a very big discount, and this was a big discount of 61%. Okay, so 61%, and then it spent a little bit of time. Okay, it just didn't pump up suddenly. You scared a lot of people. You stayed down for a while before actually moving up. So I think a lot of altcoins do this. A lot of people get shaked out, right? It's just to shake out people, in my opinion, because as long as you're holding support, there is nothing to be afraid of. Even if you're at 913 at the moment, you look at the prices and I look at the support levels if it's holding. So we're not the same, bro. Okay, you look at the prices, I'm looking at the charting, and that's what you have to focus on. Shift your focus and you can actually solve a lot of problem. Your focus should be on successful charting. That's what matters. And if you're successful with the fact that you're holding support in here, and the plan is that as long as you hold that support, you're fine, then you're fine. There's nothing wrong with this thing. And I told you, I will consider it wrong if you just lose the support, finally break and fail the retest and then maybe go down. I would actually consider this a very bad thing. And have you done that? As long as you're not doing that, that's pretty okay. Now 2 hours and 6 minutes are left, and you can already see that in the next 2 hours 5 minutes we will probably do something where we make a doji in here, make a doji, and then start to pump back up again, and then maybe come down again and pump. So it's just a sideways range that it's trying to break out of, right? It is just a very normal consolidation. So you have that resistance coming up at 1069, and this is where you're just trying to fail. Who knows, in the next coming few days you might actually see something like this, go back up again, 1079, get rejected, come down, go up, and continue until you don't finally start to break and continue to go to the upside. That's just my personal take. And that's all for the video on Pepe. I'm going to see you the next one. Love.